Welcome back to the video, guys. Hope you guys are doing good. Today might be a pretty expensive video because we're still looking for parts. Today what we're gonna do right now is we're gonna go find this window trim that is on the RSX that I'm missing. I saw this RSX on Facebook Marketplace and it was for parts only, and it was in a junkyard like where parts are. So I'm gonna go there, brought my toolbox with me so that if I do see that part I can just take it off. It's like a windshield trim piece. I already have one of them and I just need one more, but I did see it online for both, but I don't need two, I only need one. So alright, we have made it. And since it's private property, I'm not gonna really take this big ass camera, so I'll probably go onto my phone. Tell me why this guy was charging me 75 bucks for just that one piece. And he said it was exclusive. And it's a recycling center, bro. She gonna be fucked up. I'm just gonna drive myself back home and find it somewhere else. You know, there's never a better time to drive this RSX when you're running a couple of errands, and it's extremely hard taking this car out when there's no AC or anything. First things first, I gotta go to Walmart for a few items, and then I might just go rip this car around. There's actually too much traffic to even rip it right now, but let's see if I can get into some of these streets. I'll just have you guys enjoy the sound, even though it's a Honda. Fun for you guys, but you know, like when I let go of the steering wheel, which you should never do, the car's alignment isn't good, so the wheel always moves around. That is something which is scary. For sure that scares me on this car are the brakes. I don't know why, but the brakes don't seem that good. I know a lot of people convert these to like TLX and Type S brakes, where it's like they're a lot bigger than what we get for the RSX. I'm thinking of doing those, or I can just buy another bigger brake kit. I know those are a bit more expensive, but hey, it's better to be safe than sorry. I know for a fact that my Mustang ones are definitely bigger than these, and my Avalon brakes might be bigger than these. Brakes and the new wrap on the car is definitely one of the next few things to do after the tune.
Meanwhile,
definitely a red light. morning, new day, new me. And right now I was super close on buying this K-Pro V4 from Hyundai. This was gonna be the most expensive mod that I bought for the car, but then I remembered that this mod is gonna avoid the smog that I have to do. Okay, so my smog is due in October, which is in 2 months. So before I do buy this K-Pro, I'm gonna go get the car smogged. So the smog that lasts usually around 2 years. So once the car passes on with the stock ECU, I wouldn't have to worry about it for another 2 years. You guys already know that I live in California and we have to go through this process with every single car that we mod for the car to even get registered in California. Which is what brings me to topic from my EcoBoost that I do own that needs a smog done this year. And I don't think it's gonna pass smog, so I gotta go through hot smog. And I'm not gonna talk about that process. So this driver side windshield trim that I was looking at, it is 50 bucks on this website, but I still feel like I can buy it a lot cheaper somewhere, especially cars that are on Facebook Marketplace and they're only for parts only. I feel like I can bring it down to maybe like 20-30 bucks. I don't know, it just doesn't feel right spending like $50-$75 on just a plastic piece that goes on the side of the window. Okay, I thought I found a jackpot, but unfortunately this is for the top only. Where does it say this? It says upper windshield right here. Okay, see, these ones are not too bad. I guess it is $100, but you get 2 of them which are basically the same color, rather than me buying a brand new one where one would be like a discoloration one and the other one would be more darker, if that makes any sense. But $100 for 2 of them doesn't seem too bad. If I don't find the missing trim pieces today, I'll definitely find it this weekend, because I've messaged so many people on Facebook groups and a lot of them do have available, so I'm probably gonna go find it for the best price.